Welcome to this breathtaking new listing in the highly sought-after DC Ranch community, a premier address in Scottsdale known for its luxury and exclusivity. This stunning home features 5 spacious bedrooms, 3.5 luxury bathrooms, and sits elegantly at the end of a peaceful cul-de-sac. With over 4,000 square feet of living space on a sprawling 14,000 plus square foot lot, it combines grandeur with privacy. As we step inside, you'll notice the open floor plan that flows seamlessly from the living room into the gourmet kitchen, equipped with high-end appliances and perfect for entertaining. Outside, the expansive backyard offers stunning mountain views, providing a serene backdrop for the outdoor kitchen and dining area, ideal for enjoying Arizona's beautiful weather. Living in DC Ranch means access to exclusive community amenities like walking trails, a golf club, and vibrant marketplace filled with fine dining and boutique shopping, all just minutes away. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of paradise in DC Ranch. For more information or to schedule a private tour, contact me today. Thank you for joining me on this tour. I look forward to helping you find your dream home here in Scottsdale.